What's up, guys? We're at the lab today and we're going to go over a cool new product that's actually made here local for hanging your Jeep doors in your garage or around the shop. So stay tuned. All right, what's up, guys? So again, today we are here bringing you some cool door hangers that are made here locally to Tampa. It's a company called Offroad Concepts. So they make door hangers for TJs, JKUs, JKs, JLs, Gladiators, you name it. I don't think they're doing any CJ stuff, or haven't done, but maybe they'll do that soon. But a local company, we use their products here in our shop when we're working on doing like bed liner and we need to get the doors out of the way. These are mounted on the wall. You can mount them in your garage at home. You can mount them in your shop at your house or wherever, but they keep the doors from, sitting on the ground. They're super sturdy. You can actually see here, this is the TJ one. And this is pretty simple, man. It's got 3 holes, mounts to your wall if you want to use concrete anchors, if you're going into concrete. I'd use some washers and whatnot if you're going into wood. But they've got the nylon bushings in there, so it's not metal on metal with the door pins. They are powder coated, so ours have been in the shop I think about a year, maybe almost 2 years now. No rust on them, and the nylon bushings have held up great to the use. So this is the TJ one, obviously, 2 doors. We'll show you here. This is the JKU one. You can see actually that's their logo there. So obviously you've got 4 doors, so you need a little bit bigger. And I don't know, I'd say that one probably weighs about what, 8-10 pounds? 10 pounds. About 10 pounds on the JKU one. Here's the JK one, again, just 2 doors, so a little bit smaller. But pretty neat concept, man. They keep them up out of the way, keep your doors from getting banged up and safe. They've also coming out with a new one, so that's what we're gonna show you here next. All right, guys, so this is the new one that's actually coming out from Offroad Concepts, which I love because it does all the different Jeeps. So this can do JKs, JLs, JTs, YJs, CJs, TJs, LJs, whatever. And it's pretty simple to adjust it. So right now it's set up for like the JKs, JKUs. And then there are some nutserts that are in here. You just remove these 2 bolts, slide it down to the lower set of nutserts, and then you can use it for TJs and LJs. So pretty neat. Now the other thing with the difference in this one, these knobs have nutserts in this as well. Remove this, and it actually will fold up out of the way. So when you're not using it, it's not a nuisance in your garage or around the shop. So we're gonna show you that now. All right, so basically in just a couple of minutes, guys, again, all you have to do to move this up out of the way, you can see now it's a lot taller. It doesn't stick out anymore. But just simply remove these knobs, and you can see now a little bit more easier the nutserts that are in there, and now it's out of the way. So don't have to worry about banging stuff, catching stuff in the garage. A lot more low profile, so I like this option a lot better. Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you liked our little review of a local company here that we've been using, so tried and true. But if you got any questions, don't forget to check out their website, offroadconceptsfl.com. The FL is because, again, they're based out of here in Tampa, Florida. So awesome product. They've got all their pricing online. Their new version that we showed you at the end that fits all models. They said they'll be posting that up on the website soon. But don't forget, guys, appreciate all the support through the time we've started these videos. So don't forget to like, subscribe. If you got any questions, comments, something you want us to see make a video about, put it down below and we'll get it to you as best we can. But thanks, guys. We'll see you next time.